Kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.
Hello students, this is Ashish, your subject teacher, and today I am going to teach you third chapter of your English language book. The name of the chapter is phrases. First we will know about the phrases. For this we will have to examine the following groups of words: with blue eyes, in the east, to go home. They make sense but not complete sense. So on the basis of this we can say a group of words which make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. In the following sentences, the groups of words can be identified. They are written in the different color. The sun rises in the east. In this, in the east is a phrase. Other examples can be understood in the same way. Keep in mind, a phrase does not contain a finite verb. It has neither a subject nor a predicate. Now we will know about the kinds of phrases. There are three main kinds of phrases: noun phrases, adjective phrases, and adverb phrases. Noun phrases. A noun phrase is a group of words which performs the function of a noun in a sentence. For example, Tanu loves painting and Tanu loves to paint pictures. Both the sentence give the same sense, but there is a difference. In sentence first, word painting is a noun and the object of the verb loves. In the second sentence, to paint pictures is the object of the verb loves and does the work of a noun. Hence, to paint pictures is a noun phrase. Now, let's know about adjective phrases. An adjective phrase is a group of words which performs the function of an adjective in a sentence. For example, a white tiger is a rare sight indeed, and a tiger of white color is a rare sight indeed. Both the sentences give the same sense, but there is a difference. In first sentence, word white qualifies the subject tiger and is an adjective, whereas in the second sentence, the phrase of white color qualifies the same noun and works as an adjective. Hence, of white color is an adjective phrase. Adverb phrases. An adverb phrase is a group of words which does the work of an adverb in a sentence. For example, he answered politely and he answered in a polite manner. Both the sentences give the same sense, but there is a difference. In the first sentence, the word politely is an adverb to the verb answered, whereas in the second sentence, the words in a polite manner also work as an adverb to the same verb. So, in a polite manner is an adverb phrase. Besides all these, we should remember that we can change phrases into sentences by adding other words to them. But one of the words that we add must be finite verb because a sentence has a finite verb in it. A phrase does not. A phrase does not contain a finite verb but may have non-finite verb such as participle, infinitive, gerund. For example, playing football. In this, playing is a gerund phrase, whereas to win a prize. In this sentence, to win is infinitive. Hope you might have understood the chapter. Worksheets can be downloaded from the app. Thank you.